In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed forms in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a fully working form you can drop into your website, funnel, or landing page, plus a quick way to verify everything is tracking correctly inside your account. First, sign in to your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Sites. This is where your web assets live, and it's the central place for managing forms. Inside Sites, click Forms. Now you're in the Forms area where you can see any existing forms and create new ones. Go ahead and click the button to create new form. This opens the drag and drop form builder. You'll see a blank canvas and a toolbox of fields. Drag in the basics you need, like first name, last name, phone, and email. You can click any field to customize it. Update the label if you want clearer wording. Set fields as required to make sure you capture essential info, and adjust placeholders to guide your visitors on what to type. Rearrange fields by dragging them into the order that makes the most sense. Keep it short and clear so more people complete the form. Quick note before we keep building. I've placed the official GoHighLevel website link at the top of the description so you can sign up or log in quickly. If you prefer using the mobile app as well, you'll also find the download links in the description for easy access. When your fields look good, move to the top of the builder and click Settings. Give your form a clear internal name so your team knows exactly what it's for. Add a redirect URL to send users to a thank you page or a confirmation page after they submit. This is great for tracking conversions and giving next steps. Then, set up notifications so you or your team get an email when someone submits the form, ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. Click Save in the top right to lock in your changes. Saving frequently is a good habit while you build. Next, click Integrate and copy the embed code provided. This is a small HTML snippet that displays your form anywhere you paste it. Now, embed the form on your website, funnel page, or landing page. If you're using a page builder, look for an HTML or code element and paste the embed code there. Publish or update the page when you're done. Finally, test your form. Submit a quick test entry and confirm the new contact appears inside GoHighLevel. Make sure the redirect works and that notifications arrive. That's it. You've successfully created and embedded a form in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.